Hi guys, so today we're in the rainstorm and it filled up the whole house, so it's flooded, so we can't get out. Just look at the water coming out. Look at the water coming up there.
Alright, and film them with the big puddle, Taylor. What's it? Can I see it, Taylor?
So it's really good that we got water because the dam for us. So just give you a little look. The grass is all green over there. Give you a look where I'm standing. The puddle. Little look. It's all green. So it is gonna get higher when it stops. We're then trying to have a walk. So just want to give you a quick look.
Yeah.
Don't look there. So we're in Townsville. We're in Townsville.
And my dad is down there.
So it's been raining all day yesterday and all day today. So it's hard.